Hello students. In grammar today we will start with chapter 16, Analogies. Okay. What are analogies? An analogy is a comparison between two things, and the comparison is used to determine the relationship between different sets of things. Okay, whenever we use to compare between two things having either same qualities, okay, and we determine the relationship between different sets of things. Just for an example, you can see over here, if bark is to dog as meow is to cat. So over here, what is the comparison being made in relation to their sound? How does dog sounds? Dog barks and cat mews. So these are the sounds of both of the animals. So this is how a comparison takes place in analogies. So similarly, you have to do this in your grammar book as well. We have 3 exercises based on analogies. So let's begin. Let us take question number 1 first. Complete each analogy by choosing the most appropriate verb. Write your answer in the blank. You may consult a dictionary. Let us take the first one. If heat is too hot, then honesty is too honest. Okay. If leaves is to leaf, as wolves is to, so leaf is the singular form of leaves. So what will be the singular form of wolves? Wolf. Okay, यहाँ पे singular इसकी बात हो रही है, singular noun की बात हो रही है. So leaf is the singular noun of leaves, and then wolf would be the singular noun of wolves. Okay. Now let us come to C. Quick is to quickly, as fast is to fast. Why? As I had told you earlier also, with related to adjectives and adverbs. So I would suggest you can go back there and read the rules when we had tried to convert an adjective into adverb and so on. So fastly, I had told you at that time, is not a word. Okay. So same way. So fast is to fast. Now let us come to D. Size is to size, as board is to. So over here, what is the comparison being made like? The pronunciation of both the words are same, size and size. Okay, the pronunciation of the words are same, but the spelling and the meanings are different. Okay, so what will be the same sounding word for board? Yes, it is the first one, board. Okay, if you remember, we have done homophones and homonyms. So this is homophone. Now come to E. If sail is to sailor, so who sails? Sailor sails. Sailor sails the boat. Okay, or sailor sails the ship. So if sailor is to sail is to sailor, then pick is to picker. Okay, this is how you have to do. Come to next F. If leaves is to leaf, then as starts is to, what would be the answer? It would be start. Okay, this one was easy. Now come to G. If great is to greatest, then good is to best. Okay, comparative and superlative degree, if you remember. Okay, so what would be the superlative degree of good? Best. So this is how you have to do this exercise. Now come to exercise number 2. Complete each analogy by using the most appropriate word. The same way you have to do. Okay. So this one I would take only first 3. Okay, and rest to be done by you. So let's begin. A. Train is to driver. That means it is coming to the profession who drives the train. Driver drives the train. Then one who flies the airplane is, yes, it's a pilot. He is known as pilot. Next, if pen is to write, so towel is to dry. Why we use towel? We use pen to write. Then what is the usage of towel? We use to dry from the towel. Now, see. If annoyed is to furious, then pleased is to delighted. Okay? Now, remaining you have to do it by your own. So let us now come to grammatical analogies now. This is quite interesting. Okay, you have to be very attentive while doing this. Complete each analogy by writing the most appropriate option in the blank. A. They is to go as he is to. What would be the answer? Goes. If you remember, with the plural form of noun we use singular verb, and with the singular form of noun we use plural form of verb. So it would be goes. B. See is to seen as run is to. Yes, it's run only. Next, I is to my as who is to whose. D. I is to I am as who is to whose. This one, second one. If pain is to pain as heal is to heal. Same pronunciation again. Next, F. Potato is a as orange is to articles if we talk about an. Okay, an orange, a potato, the same way. G. Do is to did as is to was. Okay, so these are the answers. Do go through them very properly and try to solve this again by your own. Thank you.